have my 3 personal reasons why I came to Innsbruck. If you are interested, please continue watching this video.
Christmas atmosphere.
When I started my travel, I only knew Innsbruck is a beautiful city in the heart of the Alps. I took the train from Berlin there and I didn't regret it because the road passed through the mountains. Do you remember that feeling when you read the episode from Harry Potter where he took the train to school and everything seemed magical to him? I guess I felt something similar. Also in train, I googled some statistics about Innsbruck. Firstly, it's the 5th largest city in Austria and the capital of Tyrol State. Secondly, the population in 2022 is approximately 130,000. Thirdly, it's a very popular winter sports center. Finally, when I got off the train, I had 3 reasons I came, no expectations and huge curiosity. And I had only one day. I started exploring the city from old center because I definitely wanted to see the incredible historic architecture and of course city's most famous symbol. I came here to visit this golden roof and I'm going upstairs because there is a viewpoint and I would like to shoot it. This is the Emperor's balcony to observe festivals and other events, and the roof was decorated with 2,657 fire-gilded copper tiles for Emperor Maximilian I to mark his wedding with Bianca Maria Sforza. A bit away, I found the cutest cafe with delicious desserts and I couldn't get past it because I'm a big fan of chocolate. If you are too, press like and please don't forget subscribe. It wasn't only the reason, I wanted to try one special dish that was on my wish list too. I mean famous Austrian Sacher cake, which is really a chocolate dream. It consists of a dense chocolate cake with a thin layer of apricot jam and coated in dark chocolate icing on the top and sides. I truly wanna say this really was delicious. Also, I added the cafe's location in the description of this video. Recently, I read that when you're traveling, especially solo, it might be a good idea to talk with locals or other tourists. Honestly, it confused me a bit because I've never had such experience before, but I decided to try and ask people why they came to Innsbruck.
The first reason is to buy new shoes.
Yes.
Okay, great, great.
Second,
Marketing.
yes.
Yeah, Christmas time.
Christmas time and
Christmas atmosphere.
Initially I was scared a lot, but I felt brave after because it was funny and people were very friendly. Do you talk with locals or other tourists when you are traveling? Please write in comments because it's very interesting to know your experiences and stories. Basically, people came to Innsbruck to visit the Christmas market because it seems really adorable here. A lot of decorations, tasty food and a Christmas vibe, of course. But I personally didn't know the Christmas market should be this time when I visit. It was really a wonderful surprise. Do you think this beautiful, amazing, stunning? I don't have enough words to describe these mountains. This is the third reason, I would say main reason I came to Innsbruck. And I'm going to spend 3 days full of adventures and of course share with you. Thank you for watching this video and traveling with me. Now you know more about Innsbruck and may add it to your bucket list. I hope you enjoyed and if you like it, please press like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next video!